Hello, this is a 1994 F-150 ready to come on. It's a XLT Lariat. As you guys see, look at the interior in this truck. Super clean. Liner, great conditions. Back seat, it's a full bench. Check it out. Is nothing broken, everything in place. Door panels. It has the power stop for the towing. Double tank. Lights. Power. The 4x4. The 2 high, the 4 high, and the 4 low. Floor mat, original. I'm going to slide this to the back so you guys can see the back seat. Great conditions. The exterior in this truck, we have applied a liner on this truck. The original color was gray, and we decided to apply the liner all the way where the original color was to make it look a little bit rough but nice. We put some big tires, big wheel, rough country suspension system. It has the towing package. This truck was taken as a trade-in from a customer of mine. Kept in the family. You have a bed liner on it. Tailgate. Great conditions. As you notice, is 4x4 suspension system, rough country, premium package, all the way around. No rust on the truck. Well kept. Original mirrors. All new tires, new wheels. Look at the finish of the liner right here. Look at the truck. I'm going to show you the bumper, actually the front grille. The bumper, no dents. 4x4, and